Hey, it's Sarah with WTI, and I'm going to let you in on the secret to cleaning your toilet quickly and efficiently, and that's with these Clorox ToiletWand refills. I really love these Clorox ToiletWand refills because it is a way for me to quickly clean my toilet. I really love how sparkling it gets with these, but what I love even more, besides how effective they are at cleaning, is how I can place them on the wand quickly and easily without touching it, and then dispose of it in the trash without touching it as well. So I'm able to clean my toilet quickly and easily, but I don't have a toilet brush sitting around. I can dispose of it after I've used it. So if you are looking for a way to quickly clean your toilet bowl and then get rid of the item by using something that's disposable, then I would recommend these Clorox ToiletWand refills. They are effective, they are easy to use, and you just dispose of the end. You never have to touch it, and you just keep the wand for the next time. So these work really well, and that's my point of view.